Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Local LLMs and Quantization, running powerful ICE on your laptop. You've probably used amazing AI tools like ChatGPT online. They can write emails, code, and answer complex questions. But what if you could have that power right on your own computer? Without needing an internet connection or sending your data to a remote server. Today, we're diving into local LLMs and quantization, the key to bringing powerful AI directly to your laptop. It's like having a super smart assistant living inside your machine. An LLM, large language model, is like a giant digital library combined with a super smart bookworm. This bookworm has read a colossal amount of text, essentially most of the internet. It doesn't think like a human, but it's incredibly good at recognizing patterns and predicting the most likely next word in a sequence. So, when you ask it a question, it uses its vast reading to construct a sensible, coherent answer, one word at a time. It's a marvel of pattern recognition, not human-like thought. These super smart bookworms are massive. Imagine a brain with billions of tiny connections or memory slots. These are called parameters. Each parameter stores a piece of information, taking up digital space, like a variable in your code, and requiring processing power to calculate. Running this colossal brain demands immense computing resources, often requiring specialized supercomputers. That's why most powerful LLMs are typically accessed in the cloud, on remote servers, via services like ChatGPT. Your laptop just isn't designed for that scale. Normally, a local LLM is simply one of these powerful language models that you can run directly on your own computer. Think of it as downloading your very own copy of the super smart bookworm, ready to help without needing to call a remote library or access the internet. After the initial download, this means your conversations and data stay entirely on your machine, boosting privacy and giving you complete control. For developers, this opens up incredible opportunities to build applications that are private, offline capable, and custom-tailored. This is where quantization comes in, the secret sauce. Imagine you have a vast collection of highly detailed photographs. Each pixel has super precise color information, like a number with many decimal places. 0.987654321. Quantization is like taking those photos and reducing the precision of the color information. Maybe using fewer shades, or representing that number as 0.98, or even just 1. You lose a tiny, almost imperceptible bit of detail, but the file size of the photo shrinks dramatically. For LLMs, this means representing the parameters, those connections in its brain, with less precision, e.g., using 8-bit integers instead of 32-bit floating points. The LLM becomes much smaller, faster, and uses less memory, making it fit comfortably on your laptop without significant performance loss. As a developer, quantization is a game changer. 1. Run AI anywhere. Build apps that work entirely offline, on edge devices, or in remote locations without internet access. 2. Cost savings. Bypass expensive cloud API fees for basic LLM inference. 3. Unmatched privacy. Your user data and sensitive information never leave their device. Perfect for secure applications in healthcare, finance, or personal assistance. 4. Deep customization and control. Integrate the LLM directly into your application's logic, giving you full control over its behavior and allowing for truly innovative local AI experiences. It democratizes access to powerful AI. Ready to get hands-on? It's easier than you think. 1. Choose a model. Many open-source LLMs exist, e.g., Llama 2, Mistral. Look for quantized versions, often identified by file extensions like gguf or names including q4_k_m, indicating their reduced size. 2. Pick a tool, framework. For beginners, tools like !Olama or !LM Studio are fantastic. They handle the download and setup for you. For Python developers wanting more control, llama.cpp or its Python bindings is a popular choice. 3. Install and download. Install your chosen tool, then use it to download a quantized model. 4. Code it up. Once downloaded, you can interact with your local LLM through the tool's simple API, often resembling how you'd call a cloud API. For example, with Ollama in Python, it's as simple as import Ollama and then Ollama, chat, and it all runs on your machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.